So today we're going to look at two different exercises that's going to help relieve lower back pain and also increase strength and mobility in your lower back. The first one that I love is the cobra peel. So just laying down on the ground, we're going to start by lifting our head and then extending each vertebrae nice and slow and controlled all the way to the top. At the top, you can give a gentle push with the arms. Straighten the arms out, look at the roof. Nice big arch or extension of that lower back and the entire spine. And then we start to reverse the movement, start to peel down, all the way down to the ground. I'll just show you one more. Head up, push, all the way back down to the ground. The second movement is called a scorpion. So again, we're going to lay down on the ground. Arms are going to be out by the side. And what we're going to try to do is keep our shoulders down. Shoulders down. So what's happening is we're going to start to create some rotation through the lower back. So by pinning the shoulders down, that rotation is just coming from the lower back, side to side, just like this. And reaching that leg up, you'll also feel a nice big stretch through this hip flexor on this side as well. And you can hold as well on one side. Even if this is available, you can grab hold of this foot and get a little extra stretch here. So there's two exercises, the cobra peel and then also the scorpions. I would do 10 to 20 reps of each. And you can do this when you're sitting down, you feel like your back's all sore, or you've been standing up for a while and you feel like you need some relief on the lower back. Jump down, do 20 of each, maybe 2 to 3 sets, or even just one set will be enough. And just do that throughout the day. Enjoy.